video, let's see how to set alerts for stocks in Zerodha Kite. We will also see a live demo of how to set alerts for stocks in real time in Zerodha Kite mobile app. So before going to see about the live demo, let's try to understand why we need alerts, what are the types of alerts that we have, and when exactly to set these alerts. So first let's try to understand why we need alerts. Basically, if you see a stock in share market, we cannot directly go and take a position for the stock. We will definitely lose if we do that. So first we need to know where is the stock, whether it's near the support or resistance. So basically the alerts helps us by letting us know where is the stock when compared to the high and low of the day. So normally whenever we short sell a stock, we expect the stock to reach its day's high so that again it will come to the support level. So in order to help us with that, we cannot watch the stock continuously. So we set alerts near the high of the day for that particular point for a stock. So once it reaches that point, we will get an alert. We can quickly open and see the stock and short it. So before going to see about the live demo, if you want to open a Demat account and get all the courses that are free on our website, you can use the link in the description of this video, or you can visit the website powerpungu.com and open an account and get these courses. We have six courses. You can WhatsApp this number and get all these courses. Some of the courses has live demo as well, like intraday you have live demo, entry, everything is there. So you can. In Zerodha Kite, we'll quickly see a live demo. Here I've loaded some of the bank stocks. We'll set an alert for HDFC Bank. The current price of HDFC Bank is running at 1061.8. So it's oscillating between 1062 and 1000. So click on it. You will have this option buy sell. Come below the market depth, you see and set an alert, click that. So once you click that, it will show alert me when last traded price of HDFC Bank is greater than I will keep some 1062.5 because I will buy after 50 pice. Maybe some of the breakout happens, so I'll just, for your example, we'll keep it. Also type a name buy HDFC like that. So create alert. So the alert is created. Once the price reaches this 1062, last traded price and the market price reaches 1062.5, you will get an alert in your mobile. The mobile will vibrate or something like that. So here you can go and see the chart. So I will explain you when exactly you need to keep the alert. So this is a 1 minute chart. You can see the immediate support and resistance. The resistance is at near 1065 and the support is at 1059 basically. So what you need to do is you need to buy a stock when the stock reaches 1059, or you need to short a stock when it's again reaches near this resistance. So you can keep a alert like this. Now for example, I kept an alert which is very near for it to be triggered, so that to show how it's being triggered. Else you can keep your alerts near the resistance of the day or support of the day, and you can take position. So I'll keep one more alert. Similarly, click set an alert. So alert me when last traded price of HDFC Bank is 1000 less than or equal to, we'll keep it 1061.5. So it looks like the stock is going to go down, so that in order for you to quickly see an alert how it's working, I am keeping this. I'll keep sell HDFC. So once you will create this alert, let's see if it's getting triggered or not. So here see the alert got triggered at this price. So here it's how it is triggered. So one of the alert got triggered, which we set, I think 1095, that one got triggered. So this is how we need to set an alert. Basically alerts are super easy to set and gives a lot of information.